In today's lesson we're going to learn two different ways in which we can play octaves in the A blues scale. So without further ado, let's listen to the examples and then we'll zoom in for a close-up and explanation on just exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so let's look at these exercises in a little bit more detail. So immediately we probably can see that to play this octave jump there's quite a nasty string skip, and to do that at speed it's kind of awkward to do this kind of motion. So a technique that I use to clean it up and make it work better for me is hybrid picking. So this is where I play the bottom note, so the lowest note in the octave with the pick, and the top note with the finger. So a lot of the time I'm using the third finger on the right hand, so I will play bottom note with the pick and top note with my finger, and I'll get something like this. So if I do that slowly, you can see I'm on the 6th string 5th fret, jumping to string 4, 7th fret, then string 6 on the 8th fret, jumping to string 3 on the 5th fret, string 5 on the 5th fret, jumping to string 3 on the 7th fret, string 5, fret 6, jumping to string 3, fret 8, then the 7th fret 5th string, jumping to the 2nd string 5th fret, 4th string 5th fret, jumping to the 2nd string 8th fret, 4th string 7th fret, which of course I'm playing with the pick, jumping to the 1st string 5th fret, which I'm playing with the finger. So that part of the exercise, we can see that. I've just turned so you can see what the picking hand's doing. If I continue that up the exercise, we'll see something like this. So here it is out of rhythm. The top, what I'm doing is I'm reversing the action. I'm doing the high note, so the high note in the octave, to the low note. So I will be going finger and then pick. So if I play the whole thing for you, and you can see what the right hand's doing. exercise number 2, I've got a 16th note thing going on. So I'm playing 3 16th notes which are on the bottom of the octave. So, and then I jump to the top of the octave, and I of course play a hybrid technique where I use the finger and pick. So I get something like this. So that's string 6 on fret 5, and then I jump to string 4 on fret 7. So I continue it on. So if we look at the whole exercise, I'm going string 6, fret 5, jumping from string 6 to fret 8, and the octaves on string 3, fret 5, and then string 5, fret 5, play with the pick, then the octave on the 3rd string 7th fret, then string 5, fret 6, jump to the 3rd string, 8th fret, I continue on. So let's look at that and look at the right hand coming all the way up. Coming back, I reverse the move and we can hopefully see the right hand. Whole neck in reverse. So there'll be a link to the backing track that I've been using. These are quite tricky, so take them very, very slow at first and then build up to a comfortable tempo. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.